He's
Oh
struggling with
shit, she showing up.
Oh yeah, after that A.
Let's see how good he does.
Okay.
Oh god, then he had to pick this one.
Psychedelic. Look at him, he danced like he's swole. Look. He's like, oh, I'm swole. Yeah, big man. He off the pad, dog. Get on the pad.
Wow. You go, baby.
You tell that pad what it is.
Baby. You go and show yourself. Oh my god. I don't know.
The girl did the booty shape.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
I can just imagine what Vince looks like on that thing, I swear.
Oh, this is funny.
I'm supposed to get 3 or something like that.
Oh my gosh.
When you look at it like that, it really puts it in perspective, doesn't it?
He puts some disco on, he can really dance for real.
Well, at least with disco, you don't have to follow no pad.
Exactly.
And what level did he put this on?
He put on basic.
It's on basic.
Okay, let's see what he got, because I might have to compare.
I bet you I get a D.
Ooh.
But you cleared it! Oh no!
You got a D?